we're very, very pleased that IBM Research is actually housed at the Simon Innovation Hub or Innovation Precinct here in Braamfontein. Now, the lab is already up and running, it's operational. We have many scientists and interns, postdocs, and many collaborators, and they're working on innovations that we think will drive transformations in many industries, as well as focus on national priorities, specifically the national priorities that have been outlined by the DST, the Research, Development and Innovation Roadmap. And more importantly, also we want to drive skill development as well as foster innovation, which brings me to the point of partnership, right? The main reason that we're here is because we want to build partnership, and that's a good point for the drum roll, I suppose. So we really want to build partnership. It's a very different model compared to how we have set up IBM Research throughout the world. And we have 12 research labs across the world, but this is very, very unique. This is the first time that we have placed research at an innovation hub or innovation precinct, and the main idea is because we want to collaborate with startups, entrepreneurs, students, universities, research institutions, and obviously different companies that are already coming to be partners for the innovation hub, right? Specifically, IBM Research likes partnering with universities when setting up the labs. We always partner with some of the best universities, and once again, partnership with WITS is in line with our culture. WITS is the top-rated university on the continent and rising in ranking in global ranking. So it's obvious that we had to partner with WITS, specifically, the innovation ecosystem that was being set up by Barry and WITS leadership was at the heart of the decision that we made when we were considering setting up a lab in South Africa. So a couple of years back, when we saw the vision, when we saw what was about to happen in a year or two, we were convinced that this is a place for us to be. And all of you have witnessed it. If you compare this area, Jutta Street, last year versus today, it's completely different, right? And also what is extremely pleasing for us is that as a research lab, we've already started collaborating with startups that are being housed at the Innovation Precinct. We're already working with 2 startups in virtual reality as well as in making IoT devices, and that's a testament to the success that's already happening at the Innovation Precinct. Just to conclude, I think the Simon Precinct will be at the heart of the advances that we'll see in terms of economic growth as well as economic international competitiveness, and this is a great example of public-private partnerships. And again, I just want to conclude by saying that through this partnership we have created a unique place in the world. From my perspective, Barry, you can correct me if I'm wrong, I don't think there's anywhere else in the world where you have a research lab next to an innovation precinct. You have scientists working with entrepreneurs. So this is a very, very unique place in the world. So thank you, and we're very excited about the future of the partnership that we have with the Simon Precinct.